Just imagine finishing up a meeting, closing your laptop, and having this dedicated, invisible team of automated robotic assistants immediately go to work for you. They transcribe every single word, they pick out the absolute most crucial decisions, assign your tasks, draft up your follow-up emails, and neatly file all the records away. I mean, sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're breaking down the exact system that makes this a reality, the written entity. It was designed from the ground up as a premium, highly considered solution to a problem that plagues millions of teams worldwide. And it's built on some serious technology too, like Google's Gemini AI, Node.js, TypeScript, plus deep integrations with Workspace and Notion. And here is what you actually see while all of this is happening behind the scenes. The user interface is incredibly transparent. Up on this dashboard, you see real-time metrics at the top, meetings processed, time saved, tasks created. But the real magic? That's in the live pipeline visualization. You get these real-time execution logs and progress tracking that totally demystify the AI. You are never sitting there left wondering, is it working? Did it freeze? This brilliantly illustrates that transparency. You get these side-by-side views of the live pipeline and agent status indicators. As a user, you get to just sit back, relax, and watch your robotic team check off their tasks sequentially in real time. You actually see the progress bar jump as the transcriber finishes, then the analyzer takes over, and so on. It takes what is usually a totally opaque, black box AI process and turns it into an engaging visual experience. And boom, once the pipeline hits 100%, you get this beautiful output panel. Look at the organization here. We have a pristine executive summary, but it goes way deeper than that. The AI identifies risks and blockers, like, for example, flagging data sovereignty issues that were discussed on the call. It lists the structured action items that are already waiting for you in Notion and provides direct archive links. The level of natural language understanding required to successfully pull this off from a messy conversational human meeting is truly impressive. Let's just break down the sheer speed of this multi-agent relay race for a second. And the total pipeline execution time is a staggering 40 to 75 seconds. That's under a minute and a quarter to do what used to take an entire hour. So, the big, crucial takeaway metric here is this: 95%. By adopting this multi-agent architecture, teams are experiencing a massive 95% reduction in post-meeting manual labor. You are literally reclaiming 30 to 60 minutes after every single meeting. I mean, just think about the compounding value of this. For product managers, engineers, and sales teams who might be in 3 or 4 meetings a day, this is saving entire days of work every single month. It means better accountability because tasks are clearly owned right away, better follow-through via automated reminders, and complete team alignment because all that shared knowledge is perfectly retained and totally searchable. Which brings us to the ultimate question. Now that the administrative monster has been defeated, what will you do with the time you get back? The written entity completely changes the math on workplace productivity. It's totally up to you to decide how to spend your newfound freedom.